Let us take another integer based problem for this paper. It says that S be the focus of the parabola y square equal to 8x. So obviously we can directly find that what will be the S point, that is the focus, because the standard parabola is y square equal to 4a, so that means this becomes 2 comma 0. So this is nothing but S point. I've already drawn the diagram which will be for this question. So, and you are given a circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y equal to 0. Also we can find the center for this. This is 1 comma 2, and the radius for this will be root 5, and also a special property for this circle that it will pass through the center, because if we put 0 comma 0 in this expression, it will be satisfied. So that means this will pass through the center, that is the origin. Okay, now we need to say that, let's suppose if these two are the intersection points, and this is the S. Okay, this is S, this is P, this is Q over here. Okay, so we need to find the area of the triangle PQS. Okay, I have already drawn diagram like this, but in the exam time the students might get confused between diagrams of basically this sort. They may find diagrams like this, one intersection here, one intersection here, and the other one over here. I'll tell you why we can rule out this diagram. This will not be the diagram. Let's see how to solve this. We need to first of all find the intersection point for P, which could be easily done if I say from this equation that x is equal to y square by 8. Okay, so if I put x is equal to y square by 8 in this expression, this will become y raised to power 4 by 64 plus y square minus 2 times y square by 8 minus 4y equal to 0. So in net this becomes that y4 plus what we can say over here is y raised to power 4 plus 48 y square minus 256 y equal to 0. So that implies I can take y common. This will be y cube plus 48y minus 256 equal to 0. Evidently we can see that one solution will be y equal to 0 in this case, and this will be a cubic expression. So for cubic expression we know that if there will be 3 roots, and if I say that one root is real, obviously one root will always be real, and if I say the other root, 2 roots will be real, so that means all 3 roots will be real. And if I say all the 3 roots are real, that means there will be 4 values of y which will satisfy this condition. So that means there will be 4 points of intersection, which is not possible. The two conics can meet at max at 3 intersection points. So it will become that if I say that all the roots of this expression will satisfy the given condition, so there will be 4 points of intersections, which is not possible. So that means this cubic expression will have 1 real and 2 complex roots. So that is why this diagram was ruled out and this diagram will be accepted. So that means you just have to solve now y cube plus 48y minus 256 equal to 0, and by hit and trial we can see that y equal to 4 will satisfy this condition. So that means the ordinate of P point becomes 4 in this case, and now we can calculate easily the value of abscissa by putting this point in this parabola, because this point also lies on the parabola, which comes out to be 2 comma 4. And now the answer is really easy. We need not do anything for finding the area of the triangle. We know that the S point is 2 comma 0, so that means the PS line is nothing but parallel to y axis. Alright, so this becomes what? Right angle triangle, which is this height is given as 4 and this base is given as 2. So the area of triangle becomes half into 2 into 4, which is nothing but 4, and this was the answer to this problem. The area of the triangle PQS becomes nothing but 4. Again, this was a doable question in the paper. I guess the students who will be clearing IIT-JEE must have solved this one. Okay.